All right, so the first thing that we're going to look at is Laulima. Once you go into your course structure, you click on resources and it should direct you to this page. It's got important resources and 16 folders for each week. Right now, the week folders are empty. I will be putting stuff in there as and when the week comes by. For now, you can go to important resources. There are two files here. The first one, syllabus. You click the syllabus. It's going to give you your class information. This is the code that you need in order to make sure you're in my class. The physical office is in building 7 at HCC. Office hour Zoom is this is a number you have to call in order to connect. Let's see, these are your course learning outcomes. This is all the things that you will end up learning by the end of this semester. Required material is the 8th edition book and the MyMathLab for online homework. So you can get the physical book and it comes with a code, or you can get just the code, which comes with an etext. So both options are equally well. I believe one of them is cheaper. That's if you don't use the physical text. Email, I'm usually available on email, but you can expect a response within 12 hours. Just in case you really, if something's up and it's urgent, it's on your subject, include the word urgent, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Late work is not accepted. For exams, you have to come to campus and give it at the testing center. You're going to have a total of 4 exams, which includes your final exam. So each exam will be based on the topic that's been covered so far. Now, one thing here is that your final exam is going to replace your lowest grade from one of your previous exam. So in some sense, I want to make sure that not all exams, that if you screw up an exam, you still have a chance to make up for it by showing me that you learned something by doing well on the final exam. It's possible for you to give the exams earlier, but you gotta let me know a week beforehand. Some extra credit opportunities will be announced, Laulima, as and when they come up. This is how the letter grade will be based. The breakup of your score is going to be 60% of your score is from exams, 20% is from quiz, and 20% from homework. And here is a course calendar. So it shows you, for example, week 1, these are the sections you have to cover. These are the learning objectives, and you have 2 homeworks and a quiz due. So what you would do in this case is, so for section 2.1 is you're going to go into MyMathLab. So here we are. Once you go to MyMathLab, you have your etext here. You can open this etext. When you open the etext, just wait for it to load up. We'll wait for it to load. You can go into chapter contents. So you go to chapter 2, so 2.1. 2.1, and you click the section video lecture. When you do that, you should have a pop-up open, and it's going to have your video with your explanation of stuff.